In the year 2020, our university's proposal, titled A Collaborative Education Program on Nutrition Improvement in Africa, was selected for the Japan's Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, and Science and Technologies project for enhancing global development through inter-university exchange with Africa. Over the 5-year period, we have advanced research projects focused on nutrition improvement, strengthened partnerships with agricultural universities, including Sokoine University of Agriculture, and nurtured future leaders dedicated to addressing food and nutrition challenges in Africa. Following the conclusion of this project, Tokyo University of Agriculture delegates decided to pay a visit to Sokoine University of Agriculture with the primary objective of evaluating the impact of the Global Agri-Nutrition Leaders Program and also try to explore its future prospects.
I'm Maulid Mwatawala. I'm the Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academic Research and Consultancy. At the university, you have 3 top officers, the Vice Chancellor and 2 Deputy Vice Chancellors. One is me for academic research and consultancy. Another one is for planning, finance and administration on the opposite side. And then we have the assistants, and that's why we have Mr. Mari, who is a personal assistant to the Vice Chancellor. But we are also very grateful of your support for short-term as well as long-term exchange programs. Okay, thank you so much. So I don't have to waste a lot of your time because you are going to meet with the students. Once again, thank you so much. And I would request if you go to the next phase, open some other frontiers. We would like to have people like you teaching our students here when you're here, or we're having some people doing online courses, right? I mean, if you can run these programs, I'm sure we can benefit a lot from the exchange program now for the academic staff as well. We're offering online courses, short courses, all these opportunities for exchange of knowledge and skills because your technologies are advanced.
My name is Hadija Mbwana. I'm an expert in nutrition. I did my PhD in nutrition sciences, and I'm heading this department. So the university, in the pursuit to grow, separated the food science course, and it was moved to the School of Engineering. So since the year 2021, our department remained only with human nutrition and consumer sciences. So we say it's a new department or a child department from the other bigger department. So currently we have 2 undergraduate degree programs, but we also have masters in human nutrition and PhD in various courses related to food security and human nutrition. Yeah. So that's our major activity in teaching. So we have 3 courses, 2 undergraduates, 1 master's and 1 PhD. But then we're also doing a lot of research, different types of research that is connected to human nutrition, food security, public health, and nutrition education on that range. And the majority of our projects are mostly donor funded. So we have collaborations with international partners. So we really have a number of different projects doing, but in our teachings, our laboratories that you just go to see now are used for analysis for students, but also for, I cannot say income generating, but we also receive samples from outside when people want to analyze food samples. We also do that in our laboratories. Yeah. So that is in short about the department. And I'm glad that Dr. Pacific took part in the training, and we are open to more collaborations. If you have you need collaborations in the areas of human nutrition, food security, public health. We are linking to agriculture, for example, agriculture to nutrition. That is the area that we are conducting our projects now. So we are very open, you're welcome. We are here to collaborate and do any further work that you may have.
In this program, this project, we have several programs, including the long-term students exchange programs and the short-term students exchange programs, together with the online courses which were offered by Tokyo University of Agriculture.
I am Justus Nsenga, the research fellow working with Sokoine University of Agriculture under the College of Social Science and Humanities, and I'm coordinating the Tenkai program, if not project. And our collaboration with the Japanese government started a long time ago. But for the case of SUA, we had a collaboration with the Japanese since the 1970s. By the time we were the Faculty of Agriculture under the University of Dar es Salaam, when we received about 70 instructors from Japan. And thereafter we had some projects with the Japanese government, which were sponsored through the JICA. And these projects were, among those was Miombo Woodland Agroecological Research Project, which started in 1990s to 1994. And thereafter we had another project in 1999 to 2004. That was SUA Center for Sustainable Development. Actually, it was meant for coming out with a sustainable approach, namely SUA method. This was actually to try to enable the rural communities to have sustainable rural development. And then we managed to have this project with the Tokyo University of Agriculture since 2009 to date. And it is all about the exchange programs. We have student exchange programs. It has enabled a number of students to participate into different exchange programs, including online exchange programs, short-term and long-term exchange programs. And actually, statistically, up to now, since 2009, about 42 students have physically participated to different exchange programs in Japan, physically. And around 12 master students have pursued their studies in Japan. And we have, since this Tenkai program started year 2020, we have 3 master students pursuing their studies in Tokyo University of Agriculture, and we have 2 PhD students who are due for their studies this month. And as far as the achievement so far regarding the project, is at the institutional level, I would like to say this program, the exchange program, it has served as a springboard for further research and other academic collaborations. But also it enhanced our collaborations with the different Tokyo University, Tokyo institutions, including Japanese institutions, including the same Tokyo University of Agriculture. And also, with regards to the students, it has enabled them to have international learning experiences. They have actually learned different cultural aspects apart from academic matters from Tokyo University of Agriculture. Up to this juncture, I would like to submit. Thank you so much.
But on top of that, we would like to follow up also in our alumni or students who participated in this program and try to listen on how they are doing, or simply understand how this program have positively impacted their daily life. And because of this, that's why we decided to have held African Cafe at Sokoine University of Agriculture.
What made me study abroad was the exposure that I got from the Tokyo University of Agriculture, but also the new ideas that I gained from Tokyo University of Agriculture. But also, if you compare our country with Japan, I saw that we could get connectivity and learn different new things from our peers who are in Tokyo, Japan.
What made me to study abroad is to build international connection and to get new experience about other culture, like Japanese culture. So I saw the opportunity then, I started to search about it, then I applied for it, then I got the opportunity. So that's the reason.
My studying abroad was beyond my expectation because the experience I got there, it was big. Like I get new ideas, new skills. What I went there for, it was beyond what I was expecting because I get the processing of ginger things, and beyond that also maybe in maize production like popcorn, and learning about different innovative ways Japanese used in their agriculture, also in the university environment, and lectures, how they present, and student opportunity which we were given at that university.
My career has been influenced mostly by studying abroad, especially at the Tokyo University of Agriculture, because I succeed to make new friends, new connections, and I believe it helped me to open up my mind to think out of the box.
I think my study abroad was a life-changing experience. Life-changing in what I mean is we met some friends. We met professors that taught us so many different but also good things in Tokyo Nodai. So to me, I think I would recommend everyone to try this program. It's a life-changing experience. Apart from the food that we ate, apart from the connection that we made, we got to see the real world. We got to see how things are done in Japan. And I think in the future, we could change Tanzania the way Japan did to their country.
I'm one of the students who participated in International Student Summit last year with the aim of youth action and collaboration toward the resilience food system and environmental conservation. My general impression toward International Student Summit was really amazing and nice. Once more was memorable.
It was actually a memorable experience because I got to meet people from various countries within the short time, because it was actually a short program. And I got to meet a lot of people from various places, which brought networking and collaboration. I also got to view things from various perspectives because we came from various countries, various continents, but the way problems were solved, the way things were discussed, it was actually memorable. It broadened my understanding in various problems, and I got to view things from other people's points of view, basing on their national context.
This summit was simply amazing, and I can say that it was a life-changing opportunity personally, and a very transformative program in which I managed to learn various skills, team working, issues regarding on the global innovations, global climate changes, agriculture, and food security issues. This knowledge, personally, it has helped me, first of all, to equip me with various insights regarding on how the world can move or can develop sustainably. But also, International Student Summit has helped to broaden my knowledge and skills, especially collaborating with other participants from other countries, knowing their actions, knowing various activities that they have done.
Through this course, I learned different nutritional assessment tools that I use to solve the different nutrition and the food-related issues in my community. But also, I could educate my people around my community on how to selecting the good diets, to selecting the good dishes to improve their nutritional status around my community.
I applied the knowledge I get during the online course to educate the community on proper nutrition, especially in children and pregnant mothers.
Well, I was excited to be part of the group that have managed to get an overview of Japan's agriculture and technology. It was a great exposure. It was a great moment for me. I realized a lot, I've learned a lot, and it has opened my mind to see the bigger picture of how agriculture is and how it can be maximized for the maximum productivity.
Though we are wrapping up this program, we strongly believe that the students we trained will continue to be leaders and will contribute to the efforts of improving food security and nutrition in their communities.
So I would like sincerely to thank Tokyo Nodai for this opportunity, the 23rd International Student Summit, which has been a life transformation personally, and I'm willingly going to apply what I have learned so that I can help my community.
Lastly, we believe that our strong partnership with Sokoine University of Agriculture will continue as part of our university's ongoing initiatives.